Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Naughty Threads. In case you're new here on my channel, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. So in today's video, I'm just going to share with you one of our bridal blouses along with the Muhurtam sari. So this is how we have designed one of my clients bridal blouse along with the sari. For the sari kuchu also we have used ari tassels. So the design is first prepared and then we transfer the design on the pallu, and then we kind of match the work in the pallu along with the blouse. This particular blouse has an elbow length sleeve and a boat neck with a square opening in the center. So since the opening is big, I thought of adding some long beads like this. So we'll see how we are doing that. So here I have taken different types of beads. These are bugle beads, generally used to make latkans or hangings. So I'm just adding those at the top here. Along with bugle beads, I've also used some small matte beads and some pearls to match the sari. Since this is a Muhurtam sari, this is the authentic combination of red and off-white. So we have made sure we use the same colors in the blouse as well, and I have used a little bit of pearls in the blouse just to give it that authentic look. So in the needle I have 4 strands of cotton thread, and I'm adding the beads in the same order. Just adding these small details will actually change the look of the complete bridal blouse. So especially if it is a bridal blouse, these kind of hangings add that extra cuteness to the blouse. So we take extra care when we are actually working with the brides. So the same thing we will be adding on the sleeve as well, just to give it a little more grand look. And if you notice, the complete neckline is cut work neckline, and we have not used a lot of gold beads. I have used pearls. These are good quality pearls, and we have also used some zari and self color thread and contrast color thread, which is off-white. So same way we will finish adding these beads. So in the sleeve I have kept it a little small, so I've just added some pearls and some gold beads. These bugle beads are available in different length. There is very small one also that we use in the blouse embroidery, but since the opening is big, I wanted to add the longer bugle beads. So you can add anything of your choice to the blouse, but just make sure you use quality material, because after some time they tend to get black and things like that. So make sure you buy good material when you're especially working on the bridal blouses. So once we finish adding this is how it is looking. We have put it on the dress form here, and you can see how beautiful it looks. In the sleeve also we have scattered some pearl buttas, and if you notice, the sleeve also has a cut work neckline, and we have added those pearls and gold beads as hangings. So this is the finished look, and this is a princess padded blouse. Since the back is too wide, we have stitched this blouse with the pads. So this is the complete look of the blouse. Now moving on to the sari, since I already mentioned it is ari work tassels. So we have already worked the ari part, and now I'm just adding that little pearl hanging here, which is completely optional. If you want to keep it more traditional, then you can just add a silk thread bunch as well in this place. But I thought of keeping it a little trendy, and that is the reason I'm adding these pearls here. So the scallop part that you see is all cut work. So these kind of tassel designs are really trending of late, and it can be worked in any budget of your choice. In case you are interested in getting your blouses and sarees designed by our team, do contact us. All the details are mentioned in the description box, so do check out the description box. So once again, this is the final look. The bride actually loved the blouse and the sari, and yeah, I think if you guys are following me on Instagram and Facebook, you would have already seen this is not the most recent one, but yeah, I actually forgot to post it on YouTube, so that is the reason I'm posting it a little late. But yeah, this is the final look. So do let me know in the comments what you think about this design, and if you have any particular requests, you know what to do. Just drop me a message on WhatsApp and I'll try my best to shoot videos on that. That's all in today's video. I'll see you soon with my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.